Ultra-wide compatibility with both standard and non-standard bottom row keycap sets to fit most mechanical keyboard brands, including SteelSeries, Razer, Corsair, and virtually all other MX stem mechanical keyboards. Standard US ANSI 104 keys works on full-sized, tenkeyless, and 60% mini keyboard layouts. Enhanced lighting displays brilliant pudding-style RGB illumination through a specially engineered double-shot design with translucent sides and letters. Retains consistent texture and appearance even after heavy use with highly durable double-shot PBT keycaps. Included keycap puller is built with finger hole grip to pull any keycap out with ease and flexible enough to fit around any standard keycap. Includes 2 additional sets of alternate bottom row keycaps to fit the widest range of MX stem mechanical keyboards, including other brands like Corsair, Ducky, HyperX, Razer, etc. Display brilliant pudding-style RGB illumination through a specially engineered double-shot design with translucent sides and letters. Perfect keycaps for boards with non-standard rows. Searched for a long time for keycaps that would fit my Corsair K63. Most sets don't offer the extra keys for non-standard bottom rows. These caps were absolutely perfect and look amazing. Huge upgrade from my old, junky caps. The perfect buy for anyone looking to upgrade their caps, especially those with non-standard bottom rows.